My sister Liz had some doctors or nurses that she looked at, and they, well, was bringing eggs for her. In St. Charles.
5 to 7.
You have to get right on top of me.
1 cup of pancake mix.
She's gonna eat eggs too.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay, come on, egg. Damn it. Oops. Showing in that one. Okay.
2 third cups of cold water. Now we need a whiskey.
A whisk.
Whiskey. I need a whiskey. Maybe not. Now we gotta whiskey him. Whiskey, whiskey. Oh, I should make banana waffles. No, that's only for pancakes. I might switch it to pancakes. Make banana pancakes.
You already got that started, so.
I haven't, no. Waffles and pancakes is the same mix. And I haven't turned this on yet. Oh. No. I had pancakes last time. I'm doing waffles. Stick with what I got. Oh, I did it again.
I gotta get my chicken out and get it going. I haven't got my chicken going. I have no butter for it. My oven went off, ready to go. Get this butter melted and get. You're gonna be okay for a minute. Take the butter. Okay, 2 sticks of buttermilk to put over mine. Like that. Get it going.
Is that the heater?
That's the, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 9, 10, and 1, 2. So it does need to get in the oven. Yeah.
You get 1 little waffle egg, a little bit of eggs, and sausages.
I'll cook eggs in a couple minutes. I'm trying to get the chicken in the oven, get it going.
Yeah, it used to be about 35.
Okay, so it's 6 pounds, so it's gonna be 3 hours. Right, no, right, yeah, 3. I would say probably about 4 hours, so if I cook it now, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, and 1. So about 1, it should be done, or a little after 1, so that should be good. Here, put this over the... I'll pour you some in a minute, Mom.
Honey, it doesn't cook that fast.
I'm gonna put this in real quick. And then I gotta get those off of the oven. Get those off. Okay.
Guys,